Good morning, guys. Hello, baby here. Welcome to this vlog, a very special. And guys, today it's a blessed day. I wish you a good Sunday, like today. And if you're coming across to my channel and you are new, please, guys, subscribe, comment, and also share my videos. If you haven't do all those process. And anyway, guys, thank you so much for clicking these videos. May God bless you. So it's a bright morning, and technically right now I'm inside my house. So this is where I'm coming from. This is where I'm born and raised. And guys, thank you so much by keep showing me much love toward I myself and also toward my family. So technically today it's a good day. It's a good day, man. Look how my house looks clean. But anyway, when it's because my house it's somehow maybe a little bit small. Maybe I can't give you maybe quick tour. But this is where I'm coming from, man. This is my living room, and I have a nice chairs. That's my room. That's my brother's room. Alright, so that is it. That is it. Life in my countryside, African Kenya. Man, without you, maybe I could maybe the way I am today. But because of your much love and that is you show me toward my family, I feel so grateful. And yesterday I was bought some ties, but I didn't manage maybe to buy things like cement. But the money that I have, I bought that tiles. It's just over there. So we didn't see me doing any videos. Oh, I'm purchasing cement. But anyway, thank you so much. May God bless you for those people doing amazing job like that. Maybe purchasing tiles. That being said, we purchase tiles slowly, and then maybe you fix later. But right now, I want to make sure that the month of let me say the end of December, my family could be use that toilet. And I saw in the rest of the comment, people ask me, baby, skim outside you paint. I'm telling you, I didn't maybe put all toilets, maybe some tiles. No. I'm just put maybe on the porch inside, and on the door like this one, on the frame of the toilet. But meanwhile, I want to finish inside. And then when my family use that toilet, slowly I'll come outside. But right now, let's see. Thank you so much. By God's grace, I shall win, and I shall finish fixing tiles. Guys, you are amazing to me. You are my good people. You are my good family. And I think technically you are my second family. This is my first family. You are my second family. Without you, maybe I think everything would be impossible. But through my honest prayer and be humble, guys, everything will be possible. Right, so yesterday I managed to purchase 12 boxes of tiles, and right now, as you can see just over here, so I'm the one who yesterday I do this mark so to check the tiles, and he told me they have 15 pieces. Let me count. Yesterday for me I check only the tiles which are inside here. I didn't count, but the boxes show outside. So let me confirm. Maybe random 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. All right, it's 15, and it's 12 boxes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Right now we have 13 boxes, but the addition of one have been remaining here for recent boxes that I bought. Wow. So maybe guys, today you will miss these videos. Maybe for those people waiting premiere, it shall be depend. Maybe you get premiere or you get random video like that. So I think today I'm going to bring my plumber to work on this place. Maybe it's not today or tomorrow, but we'll make sure. Because right now you see the way it's changing, and inside I have my mom. Mama, say hello.
Hello.
Yes, can I surprise the motor? My motor is in there. I'm telling you, going to light fire. You see how you light fire by using this chimney pipe. Wow. So this is our smoke kitchen. You can see there's some smoke, but it is what it is. This is where I'm coming from. Wow. Wow, guys. Welcome outside. So because today is on Sunday, let me show you where maybe by tomorrow morning. I think when I didn't fix that, but I think I have one bag of cement inside there, which I use for the recent time, and then I keep it inside there. So I will start for that as a meanwhile. And guys, one bag of cement goes to, let me say, 900 Kenyan shillings. That's equivalent to $8, $8 to $9, I think there. So because you give them like $10, they give you some little change of coin. Wow. And today, man, I was coming from the car wash. I washed my baby. As you can see, it's very, very clean. Very clean. Very, 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 very. And I want to maintain this baby here because it's helped me a lot. It's helped me a lot. Big shout out to Monkia. May God bless you. And guys, my beloved people, go and check Monkia 23. Show him some love. And he was a gentleman. He has a couple channel with his wife. And also, guys, don't forget, go and check Aisha Wine Twin Sister TV and show him them some love, because they've been saying they have both maybe two channels. One channel was been calling Aisha TV, Aisha Wine. Go and subscribe. And then he has another channel called Twin Sister, because they are twins, right? Big shout out to them. And may God bless them abundantly, because they done something very special to me, very special to my entire family. And anyway, we are heading on Christmas season. You will see. Wow, I can't maybe say on camera, but at the time when we reach on Christmas Day, I will show you. And I'm not meaning that maybe those two peoples or 2-3 people done amazing things for me, but in general, 100%, you are my good family. You done a lot of things to me. You changed my entire life, and I thank you so much in other way by taking this chance, by watching full length of my videos. May God bless you. With you, we shall come, we shall win, and I'm just fighting for my mom dream house. One power. My good people, one power, one army. But guys, hopefully, I think maybe for the haters who don't believe me, they think maybe I'm doing a clickbait. That bricks that you see over my neighbor there, I'm telling you, oh, it's cold, and I feel like it's cold. And that bricks that you see over my neighbor there, I'm telling you, give me time. By December, maybe the end of December, you will see how it transfer. And then by the end of maybe by next year, by January, because January it's a dry season, I want to burn that bricks, and I will show you where I'm going to arrange that bricks. Trust me. Whether maybe it depend here or on the other side, it depend. So anyway, wow, you see how my brothers working so hard. So they cut. Wow guys, so let me show you, because right now I'll come to explain maybe where tomorrow's work will be going on there. So for now, let me let me show you how my young brother gives some stuff to the cow. Actually, that's the maize. You know, the maize stems and all stuff. Hey, they wanna maruga home. I'm asking him, oh, you have already given another one. He told me there's one remaining. You see, they're enjoying. Hey, you see, guys, today the weather is maybe so changeable. You can see. Look, it's on a rain right now, and I can't complain. That is the blessing. Wow. Right, that is it. Say hello.
Hello.
Yes, guys, and actually I'm the firstborn. This is our third born, but the second born, he was studied far away, and also I was supporting maybe him in terms of maybe basic need, and I get another supporters maybe toward maybe it's a connection. I get supporters. I support him maybe paying rent, purchasing maybe something to eat and all stuff. Wow, let's go. Let's go. So story for another day. That's my beautiful home. Guys, you see? Today it's gonna rain 100%. I'm telling you. I'm telling you. Wow. So my sister is over there. You see? That's my sister. I think maybe you can see my sister. You see over there? Over there, that's my sister. So let me say, she want to say hello to you, my good people. And my sister, she has a good friend. Imagine I bought for her like a nice toy ever. We call doll, people call doll, I call toy. Say hello.
Hello.
Natoka wapi?
Kunasco.
Yes, she came to buy kales or green cola, and this goes to around some coins there. Shingapi?
Yes, cool.
Imagine 10 bob, it's equivalent to 0.01 dollar and some onions. But I'm plan maybe by next year to look a small maybe place where I can place some maybe sacks or some bags of sacks to have a small kitchen garden where my family maybe can pellets, maybe kales, onions, cowpeas, all veggies. I'll show you maybe for meanwhile. Wow. So let me show you. Maybe I think when my mom opened that maybe toilet, I'll show you. I have only one bag of cement for only starting. Guys, you haven't never seen me maybe purchasing cement, but like yesterday I went to buy only tiles. That's the money that I have. And to be honest, I saw maybe on the comment section people ask me, hello baby, just skimming outside and then you paint. I'm telling you, for the reality here that you see here, I will never paint. I will put something called rough cast and it will stay here forever. Only test that I'm fixing, it's because when it's raining you can't paint here. I'm telling you guys, even on the comment section, just drop on the sweet comment. Maybe I'm right or wrong, but I'm 100% sure you can't paint here or here, because right now we have a lot of rain. It's gonna maybe affecting the paint that we are applying on top here. So I will put tiles here and then on here and on other side. So here I'll also apply some paint. I'll put rough cast paint, and in fact I like the way my mason done for me something unique. Imagine a good veranda. I can chill here maybe when these maize have been harvested. I take the view from other side and all stuff. But anyway, at my back here, I will put things we called rough cast. When I have like 2 bags of cement, when I finish maybe tiling, but I'm just maybe giving you early updation. You will see the rough cast which I mean. So when I apply here, it's forever. I didn't go maybe painting, doing all stuff. But other side here I will paint, and also down here I will apply some black paint or gray. But here it's rough cast. You will see. Look, man, amazing. Oh, they kept here some stuff for the cow. Wow, that is it. Oh, so guys, I'm at my project, and technically I'm so grateful. Let me show you that. I think it's maybe a quarter box of cement that remain. I think it can fix only one room or half of the room. You see, guys, me, I'm not lying. So this is the cement that remaining here, and my mason yours, you can see they have already been open. It's not maybe full. So I think by tomorrow morning or on Tuesday, he will use this bag of cement as we keep moving on. And I don't want to rush to my toilet. First, I want to fix this one. And it keep pushing me. Oh man, wow. And then we'll clean this sink here, and then everything will be good and well, fantastic. Imagine, man. Wow. Whoa, let me see here. Okay, they have another design here. Look, like maybe to avoid water coming inside. That is it. So maybe for those people asking me where I'm going to fix tiles, it's slowly, guys. Please, my good family. These things I would not rush in. Maybe I will do maybe slowly until I will finish up, because one day I never knew this toilet could be maybe finished up. But it's by God's grace, and we came as a one family. You're supporting me by watching my videos. You're supporting me in other way. And guys, through your support, you see the good changes to my family. I fix tiles. I fix ceiling board. Right now I'm putting tiles. I have already finished with the washroom. So this week, which we're starting tomorrow, I want to start maybe fixing tiles inside here, because we're remaining with 2 toilets. This is the first toilet for my mom. So we're remaining this door and this door, but the rest I'm already finished inside. So I'm remaining with some maybe small places. And then imagine the reason why I want to put here some tiles, it can't go maybe like, let me say, like 12 boxes. When I have like let me say 5 boxes or to 4, I think 4, because it will finish here. Imagine, guys, not too much boxes, only 4 boxes, it will finish up, because maybe the diameter from this door up to here, we have already the door, so only we put here tiles. Imagine, guys, only 4 boxes, we fix the tiles here, and then we're ready to go. But thank you so much for advising me maybe to done scheming and all stuff. But I'm trying maybe to avoid maybe this month I apply paint, and then people coming maybe after finishing maybe excusing themselves inside and all stuff, touching outside. And then next month I want to start maybe applying paint every month, paint, or every 2 month paint, and then when the demand of the paint goes up, that is it. So when you put maybe tiles, it's one after all, like the way I done inside here. Imagine, for example, guys, imagine I build a good maybe toilet like this, or a structure, and then inside I paint. Imagine. So which is which? When you've done this one, it's forever. And then there's some liquid for washing tiles. When I finish up everything, we'll just do this with you. Hey, nowadays my mom maintained some cleanness inside here. but I love the fact the only things remaining here is this one here. Like, ooh, chagala, like that way. You had a cup, that meaning it's a blessing. Blessing come toward my family. Oh, guys. So because the weather is changing, and I want to rush, that's my structure. Man, let me tell you something. When I wake up in the morning, when I wash my face, first thing that I check is this structure, and I feel so amazing. You had a coke. Look at that. That is it. It's all morning. No. It's not morning. It's noon time. Oh, wow. You heard. It's morning. It's a blessing come. Okay. I kira masana makimaga ya ka sombra konda. Mole imburi. Hey. Kwani? No mani hukuru okwetu.
How are you?
I'm good. This is Kiki, guys.
I'm Kiki, I'm drivers. The boss borders. How's you?
I'm good.
How do you want? And which college is which village?
This one. Gensenga.
Gensenga.
I'm telling you, this is Gensenga.
What thing is
Nyamba Massive. No. You know we have a boundary there on that road. On going other side is Nyamba. On coming this side is Gensenga up to other side. Bakora Mimbarera.
Oh.
Eh.
Hapa mnapiga kura ya
Machumbe.
Machumbe.
Na uko ni Ngavia.
Ngavia. So nyinyi mnakula both sides. Ngavians. Senses.
So mimi kwa naonisha tu choo yangu.
Ile. Mbona hapo ndo nyumbani? Siku najua kweli.
Sasa ndo nyumbani.
Kweli? Wewe ni mama?
I am. Right. Maybe after this, guys, you check these videos. I'm heading to somewhere else. We had a big celebration, and I can't mention right now. So I'm not sure. Maybe I would go and then. But anyway, I have already been invited to go there. So when the time reach, guys, to be honest, I have a small eyes. That's why you see maybe I don't have maybe like big eyes like only I have small eyes. That is it. That's how have been created by God. And guys, thank you so much. Right now I'm heading because of the rain. I want to meet that party season. Wacha kufanya kile na wewe nikule mdo
Mbona ba?
Guys, I'm telling you, these are magic. Tawansera kwa kona niri har. Kwa carpet. So my brother want to clean. Guys, I'm telling you, these are magic. Me, I'm calling toy. Other people calling doll, but for the reasons, this is a doll, African doll. You heard? Hey. Hey, Tata. Right. That's why it's September. Oh, guys, so right now my brother is making some cleanness here. I don't want to. Yeah, I don't want to show him, maybe I don't want to disturb him because they're making some cleanness. Anyway, guys, we shall meet on the next video. So I'm heading to party somewhere else, but I want to visit one of my friend, and maybe even me when I'm building my mom's dream house, when it's completed, maybe roofing, I'll do some celebration, guys. Hey guys, here we have small celebration, not small party, guys. This soup and one-on-one
African Jeremy. Yeah, I'm going to cook this soup.
Yes, guys, I feel like in the morning my body changes, so I want to take soup. This goat soup, guys, I'm telling you. Look. I'm friend said Jeremy, put for me soup.
This is good for testing.
Only for test?
Testing only.
Why? Put full cup.
No, hey. There's a lot of people around.
Tanto kwamba hicho refaza. Mbona wewe?
Eh?
Tanto kwamba hicho soup. Ntakule manto ntana mwe na fa. Abro Toro hicho kimairia. This soup, guys, I'm telling you. Hicho hokere. Tora vonam kambe ijaba vona kimwe.
Aunque hay un día.
Ichumbi ni he. This soup. Let me put here, guys. And it's so hot, guys. Look. When you take soup, oh. No problem. This soup here. I can't. Yeah. Ngomanya no moharo. Oh. Wow. I'm telling you. You see? It's raining time right now, and we drink this soup as we celebrate, guys, because the house have been already finished roofing. You see, guys. No problem. When you are sick, guys, when you take this soup, you are inhaling from disease. It tastes so sweet. Let me sit inside here, guys. I'm telling you, guys, as you take the view, the house have been already completed. Ramani Scaro Toremon. I'm telling you, see the house? Take a man. Let me stand from here, guys. Maybe you'll see from the far end. The house have already been completed. See. And then, that been said earlier, when I finish maybe building my mom's dream house next year, I'll start officially. When I finish up like this one here, putting roofing and everything, I'll do celebration, because we say thanks to our subscriber. We celebrate. We say thanks to our mason because he done a good job. Imagine, guys. Life in my countryside. I came on good time, guys, because you know, soup is everything. Man, look, I'm telling you. And according to our culture, when maybe you have some soup on a small cup like this, it must have some small piece of meat. Like this one you see from inside, that's meat. Look, that's meat. That's meat. Wow. And today it's a blessed day, because right now as we speak, it's raining time. You see from the far end over there, it's raining time right now. Wow. Let me sit inside here on a small smoky kitchen right now. For me, I want to sit inside here as a maybe way to celebrate together. Wow, look, that's fire. That is fire, man. I'm telling you, we drink locally, and we didn't add any. They didn't add any maybe cooking oil inside here. We cook only maybe those fats from the goats, and then all stuff, small intestines, your meats with some maybe small meats. Oh, 10 over 10. Even right now, I had my body changes. I'm telling you. Right. Oh my God. But anyway, as I keep drinking this soup, we shall meet on the next videos. But around on this background, you see how we celebrate together as one family. That is it. The party season, guys. Look. Kata. Nisema tahun.
Hii nyama tumebichikiza.
You cut.
It's still, is it raw or boiled? Relax. I'm not a mzuri. Kiza shika hapa sasa. Tupaswe hiki. Unaona?
So guys, they're chopping into small pieces. This is the barbecue. No problem.
Hii nyama itaiva bado.
Itaiva mara.
Hii kitu ni mbichi yote.
What's up, my nigga?
Usiwahi sema hivyo.
Hello baby. How are you? Using the camera, you can even say hi.
Hi guys.
I'm Musimo Joel. Go and check Musimo Joel.
Oh, you finish this meal.
Tell hello baby.
Hello, baby.
Go away.
I'll chase you from here.
It tastes so sweet, but I don't interfere with some people that are making video, and for me I'm just on the barbecue. Perfect one, guys. We shall meet on maybe on a dinner. So actually I'm showing you on the barbecue over there, so let me do for one more.
Sasa si mmoja atugeuzie nyama itakuja umwita kwa.
Guys, I'm just over here. This is my brand new curry, and we have my brother here.
Guys, crazy.
Ugali.
First of all, let me take a soda, guys. Yeah, let me just take these guys. I always love the black pine. So, what's up, gang? My name is Gake. If you're first time watching this and haven't subscribed, hit that subscription button and just tell us what you think about this amazing video. We are over here, guys, trying to do some celebration over here there, whereby, guys, everybody is now busy.
No, Gake.
Yeah.
Now we are busy.
Yeah.
This is what brought us here.
Okay.
We come to enjoy.
So tell them keep watching the video.
So guys, let me introduce myself first. Guys, I'm Musimo Joel. I'm also a content creator. You know, when I see food, I'm confused. So keep watching the video, and thanks for supporting us. Thank you very much, Gake, for welcoming me in your video.
Yeah. Brown Ugari, guys.
Yeah,
I'm mixing.
This is prepared by Musimo Joel.
Okay.
Yeah.
So, guys, keep watching the video and watch the space.
Hey guys, I'm so coming full, and I'm eating a lot of food. And actually, guys, it's a little bit rice, meat, and barbecue meat. So it's the time to go back home, and my baby. You see this one here. Let me clean it as we go. You know, sometimes people calling me. Hello. Poa. Unatakiaje mama? Niko mbali kidogo. Kama uko na haraka uniambie nije. Niko hizi side za Rokere hapa. Hata mimi ndo natoka. Sasa unajua mimi siwezi kuja nikae, nikukaa na kwenda. Hata paso kirikora yake. Niambie. Zanin. Wife. Time to go back home, and I think, oh, let me wipe my baby first because we had some rain here. You see the droplet? So I want to wipe them. Very clean, very amazing. Oh. Anyway, guys, enjoy today's vlog. I'll not longer. Maybe you can miss this premiere because you know Sunday maybe you might miss. So Sunday is a Sunday, so we shall meet tomorrow's videos. You will get my long premiere. So today, sorry, the way is changing, and we have Munyama here. Njoo hapa. Mbona hide? Amutaki shout.
Nini guys? Nini guys?
Manitaka nini?
We are here guys.
We're coming from there, celebrating.
Yeah, we were just hitting guys. I'm full of muzigo. Yeah, guys, this is not kitambi. This is ugali.
Ugali.
Guys, we have eat, and thank you so much, Priska Sagati. If you're watching this, and Team Priska, we are having a good moment, enjoying with his mother, family, neighbors here, and even content creator. They were here, a lot of them. Even they are there. Even them, they are finishing up the videos. So thank you so much, guys, for your love and support for Hello Baby. And remember, Hello Baby is the only baby in the village.
In the village.
Yes, guys, show some love there. If you have not subscribed, kindly do so. And if you are coming on my side, guys, support my brother. You
Check
know what?
Nyama.
Check me out, you know.
Yes, guys.
You have wear black.
Hey.
Guys, tulia hivyo hivyo.
Okay, guys, thank you so much. You go and check my brother. I want to end my video here. He's known as Nation 254 on a YouTube channel, guys. Show us some love, and big thanks to Priska Sagati. He invites all people, including maybe local, including YouTubers. In general, we just over here celebrating, as maybe he putting roofing and more things are coming. So we get inspired from Priska. So thank you so much, guys. Bye.
Bye bye, guys.